May 1st, 2020, forbearance is a hot topic. I just got another call from a client, and this reminded me that there's a lot of misinformation out there, a lot of misunderstanding when it comes to forbearance. First and foremost, there are folks that are truly struggling. They can't make their mortgage payments. They've got no other options but to enter forbearance. And in that case, I totally understand. It's an option that's available to you. But for those who can make their payment but think that they've just got the choice, that, oh, I can enter forbearance or I can't. If you have the choice, if you can make your payment, but you're just considering to do it just because, like this call I just got, please reconsider. This is the exact call I just got. And granted, this is a past client. The guy's got multiple properties. His income's not affected, but the stuff that he's seeing out there, and the truth of the matter is, you don't have to prove anything. You don't have to be in hardship. You just have to call and say, I'm affected. I want to enter forbearance. So he basically called and told me, hey, I was talking to another investor buddy, and we're thinking about doing this forbearance thing. Our thought is like, hey, maybe the government steps in and just forgives these payments altogether, so we should do it, right? Here's what I said to him, and here's what I'll say to anybody listening. If you don't have to enter forbearance, please don't. A lot of guidance out there says your credit's not going to be affected. While your credit score might not take a hit, here's what I do know. I've seen how it shows up on a credit report. Mortgage currently in forbearance. What's going to happen is you're going to enter forbearance. No payment is being made, so that is going to show up on your credit report. No payment is actually going to be looked at from the mortgage companies. If you want to get a mortgage in the future, let's say you enter forbearance right now, you don't pay for 6 months, then you exit forbearance, you start paying again in December. In order to get a mortgage, you're going to have 12 full months of paying mortgages again. So you're not going to be able to get a loan until 2022, once you've paid December through December of mortgage payments. So if the mortgage market stabilizes and we've got fantastic interest rates, Q1 of 2021, Q2 of 2021, and you entered forbearance and you've only been out for a month or two, you are not going to be eligible for a mortgage. You're just not going to qualify. So these investor buddies of mine that are calling me, if opportunities come up with real estate where they've got a great opportunity to buy, but they've got a couple properties of forbearance just for shits and giggles, they're going to shoot themselves in the foot. So I implore you, if you're considering forbearance, please leave it there for folks who truly need it. Let them use it. If you don't need it, don't do it. Any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Matt the Mortgage Guy. Until next time.